Many times, MEP consultants like to clean up the architectural files. The AEC Simple Background Cleanup tool will clean up the drawings quite nicely. The tool will set the layers as follows. Elements that can likely be deleted, color 2 or yellow. Layer 0 to color 30. Def points to color 240. Demolition layers 31. Room tags 130. Ceilings 147. Plumbing fixtures 6. Unmatched layers to color 8. This tool also has the benefit of referring to previous cleanups so that you will have to do less each time. Let's go through this now. The command will prompt you for each of the following. Change layer of wall hatches, if they are on the same layers of walls. Explode AEC objects. Delete dimensions. Now that the background has gone through an initial cleanup, let's put some touches on it using the freeze layer containing command. Here I will use freeze layer containing to freeze any layers that contain ADA and layers that contain demo. With the same command, I will use the begins with option to freeze any layers that begin with E. With the formatted layer coloring, it can be easy to modify layers through the standard layer dialog box and sorted by color.